Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about how we can install Apache Superset version 6. So earlier videos we had for version 4, but now I am getting a lot of requests for recording this version 6 video. There are some changes, but not much, but we will go through it. So there will be changes in Docker when we customize it because they change from pip to UV. So we will go through those once we start with the other videos. So again, I have prepared this documentation here and you can follow it up. I will update this video once this one is published. So we will start with the same steps. So I have this server ready. I'm going to update and upgrade. Okay, it is done. Let me clear it. And then we will install few packages. So if you are on Ubuntu and you don't have Python version 3.11, you will have to do this so that you add that dependency. Basically, the reason is Python version 3.11 is supported by Superset. You need to have that. If you have even 3.12, it won't work. So you should have 3.11. Just verify it, and you can downgrade or install it and then use Python 3.11. So that is why we are adding these repositories so that we can install, because by default 3.12 is installed in this Ubuntu that I have. So once it is done, I'm going to install this. So I did this one first. If you face issue like this, then you should install this, but otherwise you can just simply skip it. Okay, I already installed it. That's why it said nothing installed. So for me, it is okay. Now I'm just going to verify if the version is correct or not. So you see, it is 3.11.15. So after that, what is there? I don't care. So we are not going to do make directory because if you see, I already have it. Then we already are owner to that. So that part you can create it, but I'll continue with this one. So the thing is, we are inside this app directory. So we're going to create a superset directory, then move inside superset directory. Then using Python 3.11, we're going to create this virtual environment, activate it, and check Python version, and then upgrade the pip. So all the basic steps that we're going to do. So now we are sure that we're inside our VNV and we know that Python version is 3.11.15 inside that virtual environment. So now we need these packages to be installed. So here there is slight difference. Earlier it was Apache dash superset. Now it is Apache underscore superset. If you use dash, it is going to install the older version. So I'm going to copy this entire thing, not just the highlighted one, the entire thing. I mean, it doesn't copy. I think we can ignore this error. We'll see if we face any issue, but for now, feel it is safe to ignore this one. We did not force anything, so we can ignore it for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a config file. So this is created. Then we're going to export the superset config path variable with this location of this file, and then we will put this inside. So let me paste it. Now here we need to change this. If you have any different database, you can update this. But for now, I'm going to use SQLite, but we will update this one right now. So to update that, you can use this command to generate a random string. So we get this. And again, I'm going back here. Yeah. So that is done. Then we are going to export the app saying that we have this Flask app superset. So this is for Flask. Then we're going to upgrade our DB so that it creates that database. For that, let me show you. We don't have any file called DB. So we will now it once it does the initialization, you will see that database SQLite database is created here. So you see you have superset and .db, the one that we saw in superset config file, which is this one. So this is the path that we provided, and that is where it is created. It created that DB. Now we're going to create our admin because we need to log in. So I'm going to create the admin. It's admin. I'm just going to keep everything as it is. So our admin user is now created, and you can load examples if you want. I'm not going to do it, or I can do it. It's my demo instance so that we can see if the charts and everything is working or not. So it is populating World Bank's health, nutrition, and population stats database into our example database, and then it will create all the dashboards and example reports that it has. Now we will create this script to run Superset. Basically, we will be using Unicorn server to run the app. That is what we are doing. So first step is we are exporting our Superset config file path. Then we're activating the environment, and then we're starting our Unicorn server with Superset app. Oh, this is not them. Then we're going to we are going to give it execute permission and then start our Superset server. Let's see if we are getting any logs. We are getting logs. So yeah, now you can see our Superset version 6 is installed. Yeah, and it is working. We also have this theme option. It was not there in version 4 that we installed, but now it is there. There are other things like MCPs and everything added from version 5. So we will continue on that series, but for now, this is it. If you have any question or suggestion, you can let me know in the comments, or you can join the Slack channel that we have. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.